Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. So finally we have another complete tutorial about Listeo theme. In this tutorial we will learn how you can create a beautiful directory and business listing website in WordPress. So like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So before we go into video, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. For the hosting, I have given link in description where you will get nice discount, and those hosting are very enough and comes with a nice speed and also with great security features. You can choose any hosting from there, and after you install WordPress on your dashboard, we will go ahead in the setting, click on permalinks too. So we always make sure our permalink set to post name before we install our Listeo theme. After that, click save changes. Now the next step will be we will install our Listeo theme. So let's go ahead in appearance, click on theme, click on add new theme. So you have to upload your theme file here by click upload theme. Yeah, here click on install now. So we will wait till our Listeo theme being uploaded on our WordPress dashboard. So we will go ahead into our next steps to set up our dashboard, which is very important. So while you're importing or installing your theme file, don't refresh your WordPress page. You have to stay here. If you required to take notes, you can take notes of this video. So I will go through step by step. As I was working on one of my client business and directory websites, so I thought this is the right time. So along with my project, I also teach you how you can create a directory listing website itself. Okay, so now we will go ahead, click activate our theme file. You can see our theme successfully installed and click on activate right away. Okay, so this is our welcome visit. So we will go ahead, let's go, click on let's go. Make sure you have a valid theme file license from Invento Market, and then let's click on let's go. And then in the default plugin, you have to required to install all these plugins to get proper functionality of Listeo theme. All these required plugins are important. So we will go ahead, click continue. So it will start installing all the plugin in our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so finally we install all the required plugin, and the next step will be default content. So what that means, it's time to insert some default content for your new WordPress website. Choose what you would like to insert below and click continue. It's recommend to leave everything selected. Yeah, so what this will do, this will auto import all the required content, which you may customize it later on. This is just to give you pre-built widgets, pre-built stuff on for your website, so you will understand clearly if there will be a listing, some demo listing, so you will understand how to edit listing and how to upload new listing. So we will go through every step. So let me select all these, click on continue. As you can see, we have a media, some images, contact forms, post, pages, listing, CSS, which are important. So it will import all the required CSS as well. This may take some time. Again, you have to stay here. As you can see, we have successfully installed all the required content as well. And the next step is theme customization, where you require to upload your logo, background, choose the background, layout for blog, and many more. You can click on continue. You also can upload a Listeo child theme in future, in case you need to make changes, or you have any issue in your main theme file. You can switch to Listeo child theme, so it will protect your content. So let me go ahead, click continue. For any sport, you can reach to Listeo team for more information. And we have a Listeo vendor marketplace if you are building Listeo multi-vendor. So if you are allowing other people to upload their listing on your platform, for example, if I have my friend and he want to sell, he want to upload their own property on my website, so they will require to get a plan and in order to start uploading their own listing on our marketplace. So we can allow them with this Dokan plugin, which comes with a complete functionality for the multi-vendor people. Okay, so we will go ahead, yes, install Dokan. Okay, so here we go. So here, click on install again, downside. Now it will install Dokan plugin for us. Okay, so we will activate Dokan plugin right away. Now it will bring us to dashboard. So welcome to the world of Dokan. You can set up Dokan right away here. Okay, let me show you. If you want later on, you can do so, but let me show you. If I click on let's go, it will ask you some of the information for the vendor stores, for the people who want to upload their listing on our platform. We call it vendor people, for the vendors. So vendor store URL is important. So we can keep this store URL. So it will be like in the URL there will be a slug, something like that. And if, for example, Anna store, something like that, it will visible in the address bar, something like that. So you don't need to change this prefix for permalink. We will stay here. Shipping fee, shipping fee will go to vendor. Okay, all these setting related to the backend, how you want to set up these setting for the vendor people. Product tax fee, if there is a tax, who will pay? You can choose if the admin or vendor will pay. Shipping tax, vendor will pay. This is actually to provide functionality for the listings. This is not for the e-commerce product, right? Definitely, because we are working on listing. So this is just to provide functionality where you want to, for example, product tax. Product mean here is listing tax fee. If there is a listing tax fee, goes to vendor. So map API key source is important here, and we will set a Google Map API key later on, which is important. When someone will upload their listing, they will able to choose their location with the map, and we also need to set up a location map in our own listings, right? So here, Google Map API key, you can click here API key. Downside, it will bring you to another page where you will get how to get Google API key, Map API key. So so you have to click go to confidential page here, click. When you click credentials page, and it will bring you to API key dashboard. So we will do it later on. For now, I will keep blank my API key. Share essential. Want to help more Dokan? You can allow Dokan multi-vendor to collect non-sensitive diagnostic data, or you can off it. Click continue. So this will help us to do setting for the vendors. This setting only for the vendors, for the people who will upload their listing on our platform. New vendor enable selling. If you want to enable new vendors, for example, if I'm new vendor, if you allow them, if you enable this setting, so they will able to start selling or start uploading their listing right away. New vendor enable selling. Okay, definitely we allow them. For new register member, yeah, definitely they have to register on our platform before they start upload their own listing. Order status change. So if you allow vendor to change order status, okay, let me give you example here again. For example, my one of my friend, he want to upload, he has a property he want to upload on our platform, and for example, he has a property place and he rent his own property place, and he will able to change the order status. That means if someone rent their property or purchase for 1 day, right? So the vendor will do, the owner will do able to change the status from the particular property has been completed. The order completed means they already stay on the property and they quit on the given time. So they will able to change the status of the order for the vendor for itself. So if you allow them to do so, you have to enable this setting. If you are the one who control everything, you can keep it off, because in some company they need to verify before they allow before they change order status to complete, right? Click continue. I will also show you these setting later on. Admin commission, how much commission you want you want to collect from the vendors. For example, definitely we are providing them platform, so they need to pay us a commission. How much commission we charge them, that depends on you, right? And you can even set the in your case there might be a dollar sign, and you have to provide 10% plus if you have extra fees. Okay, even you can change to category based. You can set every commission to every category. Like if you have a multiple category, like hotel, living home, like apartment, there are multiple category. If you have some different percentage structure, then you have to select category based. Otherwise, if you wanna keep all in one admin commission, even they upload to any listing, any category, that's okay, but they have to pay this flat commission plus charges. Okay, let's click on continue. So we have choose 10% here. Okay, so how they would like to withdraw the people who upload their listing. If someone buy their listing or rent a place, then how they would able to withdraw their own earn money. This is not for, this is for the people who are vendor. You can allow them bank transfer, okay, or PayPal. And minimum withdrawal limit you can set $50 or $100, or you can leave it blank for no limit. Okay, you have to delete 50 from here. If there is a like 10, there should be $10 minimum before they request for withdraw. Order status for withdraw, it will go to complete or processing. If you required some time in order to process their withdraw, then you can set to processing. Otherwise it will be auto when they request, it will be set to complete, or you can choose both. Let's Order status for which vendor can make a withdraw request. Okay, so I understand. Okay, so which vendor can make a withdraw request? The vendor who already complete the particular order, they will able to withdraw. Or if the order still processing, no, we only allow them once order been completed, right? You have to check completed here, not processing, because in processing order there are still some people rent their place, they are still staying there, they did not yet walk out, or the order, that means still processing, so they will not able to withdraw that particular amount. They will only withdraw once order completed, right? Click continue. Now there is some recommended for all Ducon marketplace. If you wanna enable track conversion for your store, how many people, how many vendors, how much, what conversion they are getting, track, you can track everything here. Simplified email marketing solution. For now, let me skip all these things. So we will, but you can, depends on you if you wanna consider one of these. Click continue. Now we are ready our Dukan plugin. Click visit Dukan dashboard. So more setting we will look later on. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Let me cancel all the stuff. Okay, so we only keep here important things. So this is actually our Dukan dashboard, not a main dashboard, Dukan dashboard. So there, how many vendors, how many commission you earn, you will see all here under the Dukan dashboard options. Okay, we also need to work on some currency, right? Also the payment, we will go through step by step. For the currency, we have to go to WooCommerce settings. We need to go to WooCommerce. Along with when you done Dukan setting, you can next go to WooCommerce settings as well. Click on setting. Go to WooCommerce, click on setting. So let's check out our website once, if how it look like. Yeah, everything looks good. We need to set our main menu later on, and our all these settings, price filter, and our listings, everything we will do. Okay, so when you click on WooCommerce and setting, you need to provide your store address, your physical address. Okay, and then you have to select your city and country. When you select your country, and then you have to, don't change anything here, that's all good setting in general option. Only setting enable taxes if you want to enable taxes of each listing. Okay, if you have a registered business, right, and then you are paying tax, then you have to enable this setting. This will automatic add taxes in the checkout for the people. Enable coupon if you want to enable coupons. Then most important is currency. You have to select your currency here and currency position, everything, save changes, which is one of the most important setting in the WooCommerce. Then we have a product payment. Let me go to product. In the product, make sure your shop page is set to shop. Okay, and don't change anything, everything looks good. One setting here, review can only be left by verified owner. If you allow to leave review by people, only verified owner can leave reviews. Okay, then inventory setting, because all these settings are already preset according our theme. So important is here payment. Actually the Dukan payment setting is for the vendor, But in the WooCommerce setting, the payment option is for us, is for our listings, our own listings, right? If anyone purchase from the listings, anyone purchase our property, anyone who rent our property for 1 day or 2 day, they will have all these options for the payment. And we will add later on more payment options like PayPal, Stripe. Then we will set up here account and privacy. Then we will keep as it is. Okay, but you can allow during checkout. Customer can create account before placing their order. Even for example, if they're new, just to visit our website and select any place like that. Okay, and when they click on like make a reservation, if they not have account, they will have option to enable login during checkout, or during checkout create account if they are new. Okay, then send password setup link. For example, if they just create account with you, they will get a password recommendations, which is nice thing. Use email address as account login. Recommended, you can see recommended things here. Account ensure request, remove personal data from order on request. Okay, remove access download on request. All these things you have to check it here. Email integration, site visibility, let's click on it. Apply store pages only, display coming soon message on your store pages. Okay, once our website is ready to live, then we have to set here live. Make sure, don't forget it. Once our website, we already customize everything according, we have to set our website here in the site visibility setting to live. Advanced setting. Advanced setting, make sure your cart page is selected here. Checkout. That's why it earlier when we set up our Listeo theme, there was option to import content. This is it auto create all required pages. You don't need to create all these pages because we already created. Term and condition page, you have to, once you already create term and conditions, then you can set here. Otherwise all we will leave, we will not change anything. Autocomplete order, yeah, virtual and downloadable orders. So we are not selling any physical order, that's why. Okay, let's go to, let me give you overview of all features we have, which is very important, so you will understand what option, what features we have in the WordPress dashboard. Let's first go to listings. Click all listing, where we have all the listing, even it published by vendor or you. If the vendor, then you will see the vendor name here, author, in the author vendor name. Okay, if you want to add listing, you have to click add listing, new listing. If you want to set category, I would recommend first you have to set your own category, like say category, event category if you are setting up for the event, or service, or rental. 3 category, different category here. Classified category, which category your business in, you have to go through according. For example, service category, let me click on service. If you have a, along with your business, if you also offer any service category, you can add here. For example, the main category we have a rental business, right? Then you have to go to rental categories. But along with the rental category, you also offer some services like add-ons or events. You can do so. You have to add those categories. In the features, what features our property has, it's already created some of these, but you can create more. Like there is a TV, flat TV. If there is missing anything, you can create it earlier. Okay, reason, in the reason, in what area you have a property or you wanna do business with. For example, New York has count 10 listing, Los Angeles has 1 listing. You have to provide the area, location, reason for your business, where you do business or where your property located. When you click on add new reason, you have to provide the name like New York, and in the slug keep the same name. Okay, for example, New York. In the slug copy, slug paste the same. Parent, just leave it. Description, provide a description like 160 characters. And category icon, if you want to set category icon, or otherwise click add new reason. This will add new as a new reason here. So let me go ahead to main category. The main categories are under the add listing categories. Click on it and we will find out there are already some categories like apartments, eat and drink, events, fitness. Okay, yeah, I understand we need to upload our own business listing what we deal with, right? So then you have to provide your listing one by one. Provide your categories one by one. Make sure you keep ready your categories, all the categories, reason, features before we go into customization. Okay, so we have a proper backend functionality along with when we customize in the front end. Okay, let's go to testimonials, where we have a testimonials by the people who already use our service. You can add more testimonials by clicking add new testimonial. When you click on add new testimonial, you have to provide the person name here and then the description or a review. Company, you can provide the company name and you're good to go. Click on publish. You can add as many testimonials you want. We already have testimonial. You can edit these and you can change the name, change the description, but I would recommend, because this is demo content, you can delete all these things. Click move to trash, select move to trash and delete it. Add new testimonial, add your own testimonials. Okay, so after this we have contact, where we can create contact us form, any other form we required. As you can see, we have different forms already here, like claim listing form. This form will use to if someone wanna claim their listing, we can use this form. Then contact form for contact page, contact owner visit. Okay, you can also edit these same pages. As we have 4 pages, I'm pretty sure these all pages being used in our website somewhere. Okay, then we have a token option where we can check withdraw and reserve withdraw, how much amount is in reserve for withdrawal, how many vendors we have. If I click on vendors, we will able to check our vendors here. And then we have a modules. If you wanna enable any of these module for your Listeo theme, you can also enable modules like Elementor, vendor, product importer, PayPal. Okay, you can activate these modules if you required. And then you have a pro feature if you required any pro feature for your business website. And for the token, you can find link in description for the discount, where you will get all the features, pro features. You can also click here, check out all vendor functionalities. It will give you way more functionality you required in your business. Then we have WooCommerce. We already checked that. If I click on home in WooCommerce, so let's check out how's the, yeah, we have to get paid, collect tags, all. Actually this is a to-do list, we have to go through one by one. Okay, after WooCommerce we have a product where we can see all our listings available. Product, that means listings we have, like as we have these demo listings, Tom's Restaurant, Sticky Band, all these are listings. Okay, you don't worry about all products. This is not a physical product, this actually is our listings. And then in the category you will find out Listeo bookings. Listeo booking is different thing, but if you find out if you go to last product in the products, and you will find out Listeo bookings. Yeah, here we have some plans that we call Listeo plans, professional plan, extended plan. I will also show you how to edit, make plans for the vendors. Okay, then you can also add product by yourself, but you also you have to follow here listings to add product. Okay, then we have a payments. If I click on payment here, actually this payment feature, well, offline payment method, direct bank transfer. Okay, we have to set direct bank transfer, or if you wanna Stripe for your website, you can set a Stripe in WooCommerce setting in payments. For vendors, you have to go to Docan and setting. You have to check your withdrawal, what feature you allow them for withdraw. Then we have analytics. We can check revenue, overview, everything, how many listings, what sales. Okay, then we have a taxes, coupon, category, everything. Marketing, definitely if we need to market our business, we can check in the marketing where we have coupons feature, and we have some more features here. You need to install extension for each, like Google for WooCommerce, Pinterest for WooCommerce. If you wanna enable your listings in the Google, then you might require some of these. Actually my client he required, and I will set all these things for him later on. Then we have Elementor, and it's already good setting, comes with a good setting. When we install our demo content and some setting, it provide you default setting, already good setting. Then we have a template. If you click on saved template, we have a different template we used in our old website here. Listeo multi-vendor, featured vendor, shop. Okay, different patterns here in the template we have saved. Example, if I go to my website, if I click on home page, then this might be a single template or visit. So all these saved available in the saved templates, like a Listeo banner. If you click to view it, and this will be a Listeo banner, this one. Okay, the part of your website saved in the saved templates. Commission, which is important. If I click on commission, where you will find out how much commission you earn, or commission for yourself, balance to pay, how much commission you earn, how much, everything here. And you can take action here in the commission option. And you can also say see payout history. In the appearance, nothing more in the appearance, and but customize option, we will check it later. Then important setting, what we have here, tools, user. In the user you can also add vendors. Okay, then we have a Listeo editor, which is important, and Listeo core, which is also important things, bookings. And okay, we will go through step by step for Listeo editor, Listeo core, which is very important. And also we will go to our theme setting. If I click on bookings, where you will see which booking you receiving and who is the owner of the listing, how much he earned. If you are listing, and you will get all detail. Even you can select a client or Listeo owner to check listings. Okay, Listeo core is actually our theme setting. We wanna setting in our theme. Okay, let's start building our home page, which is important thing here. So along with we customize our home page, and we will also go with Listeo core because this is related to our front end as well. Okay, let me click on Listeo core. Number one, Listeo core. Okay, so this is our theme setting, Listeo core. So first here, you can take note if you require in the settings here what you required. I will try to I will do my best to explain everything. So here in the clock format, we have to set clock format for our website. Date format, you can leave this. Add time zone for iCall files. iCall, if you already have a profile, example Airbnb, and I'm pretty sure you have iCall, you already know about what is iCall. iCall to it will give availability, provide the information about availability of listing. And once you already have iCall, then I will also teach you how to upload iCall here. Okay, it requires time zone in WordPress setting, okay, which we already set that. General is set to city, not UTC. Okay, but you can add time zone to iCall files. So this will sync with your WordPress setting. Commission rate, you can also set here the commission rate for the bookings. This is for the bookings, guys. Commission rate for the bookings. And the currency, yeah, definitely US dollar. You can also look for other currencies here. Currency position, decimal, and by default short listing, new listing. Okay, what this mean? Let me show you. If I open any listing here, where is my listings? Okay, let me, yeah, listing. Let me check any listing here. For example, here, this is our listing page, right? Where we have all the listing on our website. By default, it's set to newest listing, new listing, right? Because in backend we have set here in Listeo core in general by short, default short listing by new. But if you wanna show featured listing first, because some vendors you can allow them pay extra to feature their listing on your website. I will also show you how that. Okay, then you can show their featured listing first here, and it will comes with the like here featured. Number 2 Burger House is featured. You feature them, right? That depends on your business. You can set as view which particular listing people more viewing on to your website, highest rated. You have a lot of features here. Reason in listing permalink. What that mean? If you wanna display the reason, where is the reason? In the listing. And reasons, if I open reasons, and you can see we have different reason. You can click on view, right click on view, open link in new tab. It will open a reason, particular reason, and the reason will show in the address bar. Okay, so it will, but this will do by enabling this option. The links to property will be prepared with the reason. For example, you might have vendor from different country, different region, then that particular the address bar will show their region. Okay, if you enable this option. Owner contact information visibility. that's if you don't wanna show the owner visibility, you can show owner contact information only for login users. For example, if I open Burger House listing and scroll down, and I will not able to see the who is the listing coming from, okay, who's the owner. And instead of this, it will ask you to log in to see the information, something like that. It will show you like that. Then if you have any privacy, or you want to hide all information, you can hide or always show. Backward compatibility options: preferred page builder Elementor, yeah, definitely. Enable icon mind, we can use icons mind. But if you wanna use actually this is provide icons mind, provide the icon pack. If you wanna keep, use, or hide, you can hide this one. And save setting, don't forget to save setting. Okay, next is map setting. I will show you how to set up map settings all as well. Okay, let me go my home page. So I think before I go into map setting, I think I have to set up my home page properly. So that will be more easier to explain about map. Now every listing has map, but as this listing is demo listing, right? So that that might not correct information. That's why we cannot see the map properly, how it work, right? We don't know. So before we map setting, it's better we work on our home page and some listing. Then we can leave map setting for the like in the end. Okay, but rest options we can check along with our customization. Okay, so let's go ahead and start customizing our home page first. So I think this is better, so I cover Listeo core later on, because once you see my home page, when I customize home page along with the customization, I will also tell you what this option belong to Listeo core, right? That will be more easy. Okay, to customize our home page, you will see edit with Elementor option here. Okay, let me click customize to check if what options we get in customize. Yeah, if we wanna change the header like logo and some other options, we have here site identity, we can change it here. Okay, let's go with the header. If you wanna keep a sticky header, if I scroll my website, let me open into new tab. Okay, now you can see our header is sticky now. It's a stick there, right? So we have to keep enable, or if you want to disable, you can disable your sticky header here. We are customizing some options now. So before we choose our home page, let me show you one thing here. If I go to all pages and let me visit next page, and you will find out we have a home number, home 2, home 3, home 5, 4, 5. You can check one by one. Right click on view, open link into new tab. You can check this one. Actually, the page start when we customize it, the page start from here, trending destination. Then definitely you have in mind, how about this banner area and the header? Okay, for the setting of this header and along with this search bar, it's present in customize area. Okay, you can visit appearance, click on customize. Okay, let me show you. Let's first work on this area. So I think that will be good. Let's click on customize. Okay, now let's work on our header section. When you customize, click on customize, you will see header option. When you click on header option, it will ask you if you want this header to be sticky. Sticky means if I scroll down, it will be sticky there. Okay, the menus, the logo and cart, my account will be visible. Okay, display cart in header, the cart here. If you want to keep display this cart, then you have to keep it enable number 2 option. Number 3 option, display my account button in header here. These all are all setting for the header. Display add listing button in header. Here, add listing. As when you click, if I click now here, because I am login as admin, right? So this will give me dashboard according me. Okay, don't be confused in this, because if I click on my listing, it will display my own listing upload by owner, admin, right? So don't be confused in this. We also do all these things in the Listeo. Okay, so this is for the header. Then we have a full width header. You can disable or enable. So I think the header position or width is already good. We don't need to change anything in the header. It's perfect. We need to change our logo here and this banner image. In your case, you want to change this, right? For that, let me go back from the header option. To change our logo, we will go to site identity option. Here we have a website name. If you not have any logo yet, for example, I don't have logo, let me remove this, then you can provide your website name. It will be visible. Let me remove all logo. As you can see now, website name is showing here. Okay, but if you have logo, then I will recommend provide logo. And transparent header, dashboard logo image, transparent header. If I scroll down, if this become transparent, your logo should be visible in the colors. Alternative header, sticky logo, this one. If I scroll down, it's sticky. If you have different logo, then you can upload different logo. If you have same logo, you can provide same logo here, and make sure you adjust the width here, height. If your logo is bigger, let me choose any logo. Just for example, let me choose let me upload any logo just to show you. Here, this one. Let me upload this logo, because I'm not sure what type of logo you have or how much is the width and height. If I upload logo in logo image not showing, don't worry about it. You have to upload in here, transparent header, then it will be display. Yeah, like that. Now I need to adjust the width. Okay, where you think it looks good, you can leave it. You can click here downside hide control. Okay, then you can check how it look like. For the menu, we have a mess up with a lot of menu, we will remove menus. Sticky logo width, top, menu margin, you can adjust. Along with this, you can also click on here mobile option. Then you will able to check how it look like in the mobile. If you need to adjust, then you can adjust it. Like that, you can adjust in for the mobile phone. Okay, and don't forget to click on publish. Okay, let's go now remove all these logo, lot of logo. We will make our new logo. Sorry for that. Let's remove our main menu. We have a lot of menus here. Let's remove one by one because we will create our own menu. Let me go to option menus. Okay, as you can see, oh my god, we have a lot of menu. In your case, you might have some menu, but I would recommend to create your own menu by clicking create new menu, my header menu, so you understand which type of menu you're using in your mind. Okay, then select the main menu, make sure you select it, so when we add item it will be added. Click next and you will see it will be removed. Yeah, we have a fresh dashboard now. Let's try add item in the menu. Click add item. Now in the pages, which page you require to add, let me tell you here. You can provide, if you definitely we work on directly listing website, you can upload store list like and we have contact us, about us. Let me choose contact, and shop. You can change the name of this shop from the shop to listings, but we already have listing, I think. Yeah, here when you scroll down you will see bookings, message, dashboard. Yeah, here you can use any page here for the listing. For the listing page I will show you list full width, list full width, all these are listing pages. Don't be confused in this. Let me go to pages. Let me go back. Now you will see, scroll down, you will see Listeo, I think in next page. Yeah, here. Yeah, here it is, list full width. Let me show you first this one by right click on view. Okay, so list full width, what is mean? This is the listing page. Actually it comes with the full width, where you have a full width search option and full width listing. This is full width listing here. If you choose half list full width plus map, in right side it will display map for you. Then you have to choose which type of listing page you select, and the people when they click listings they will see all the listing. You have to select. Let me go to next page, list full width plus map. Let's open this one. Yeah, it comes with the map in the backend and search option, and then listings we have. Okay, if you go with the list with the sidebar, it will display as a sidebar. You can filter it there. They will able to filter the search, but no map in upper side. Okay, but there is another option, list. I have to find grid, I think. Let me search for grid, GRID. Yeah, grid. let me go grid full width with the map. Yeah, here it is. So we have a grid option where we have a listing in the grid 3. Okay, and they will able to go to next page along with map, because we select page grid full width plus map. Grid with sidebar number 1. Let's check out this one. Okay, so we not have any map, but we have sidebar. You can check all these options with grid and list. Grid with sidebar 2. Let me show you this one as well. Yeah, we have a grid with the 2 listing in the same time with the sidebar as well. Okay, once you select which one you like, just go ahead, quick edit. Example, I like this one, number 2. Let me show you again. I like this one. Okay, example, I have a filter here. So what I will do, I will mark it. How to mark it? Let me quick edit, and let me change the name of, let me change name to listings or all listings. Example, all listing. I think listing is good. Listing and listing. Quick edit and change the name of this and update. So you will understand this is a, we make it listing page now. Okay, so later on when we add in the menu, we will know we are going to add listing page also. So when they will click here, they will see this style of listings. But right now, if I rename it listing, and you can see here it change automatically, but we choose different one, right? So in the slug we have a listing. We already have this particular slug available. That what that mean? Okay, so if I rename it something else, all listings, all listing, this will visible with same design like that. But if I in the slug, in the top address bar, if I put only listings, it will show us default listing like that. Don't be confused in this. If you wanna keep this one listing, this is very easy. Just you have to display the URL page, slug page in the menu option. Example, you wanna add this listings in the menu. Where we open the menu, let me go to my menu. Okay, here it is, our menu here. I will click add item. Now you can also choose here and change its name. Grid full width, if you want to choose, you can into another tab, you have first to check all these pages, then you can select here. Once you select example grid with sidebar 2, you select this one and click on it. And navigation label, you can change it, and slug also. Okay, but don't be confused. You can also copy once you already quick add it. Okay, then click on view right away. Copy link address, just you have to copy its link, copy link address. Then go to menu, add item, go to make it custom link. Okay, now paste that URL. You can delete the URL of our website and paste like that, all listings. Okay, link will be listings. Click menu, it will be add with the page listings, sorry, listings. Okay, now publish. This way you can add other, like about us. First you have to create all pages like about us, uh, term and conditions, because I don't know about your business, but you have to create those term condition privacy policy according to your business, right? So make your pages ready here. So if you go to page on the pages, you can check if about us page is available here in the pages. Blog page is here, and about us, I'm not sure if about us page is there. We have all pages here: my profile, shop page, shop list, vendor store, reset password page. Okay, if about us page not available here, so go ahead, create a page. I will also show you how to put design, similar design our website into it. For example, if you like any banner here, something like that or like that, you wanna keep design, okay, you can customize your home page, edit with Elementor, and you have to stick here. In another tab, open about us page you are creating. Okay, let me create new page about us into another tab, about us. Okay, now go to our customized page we added with Elementor. Now for the about us page, we can copy these elements to display in about us page, because I like this one, plan the vacation. So I can add it and name make it about us, and I will provide information downside. Okay, so I will copy the main element here on the 3 edit section here, 3 icon, copy, and go to your about us another tab, into another tab. Make sure you first publish about us page and click edit with Elementor. When you create new pages, you might face issue with the sidebar, but you can easily fix that one by going setting option, page setting, and you can hide title, page layout. You can go with the Elementor full width. Okay, now it will become a full width. Good. Publish. After publish, then you paste here. We just copy this one, we copy, paste like that, and now we will change its name. Click 2 times with the mouse, title about us, like that, and description, click on description, put description up to 160 character in the subtitle option, and downside you can about our vision, our mission. If you want to keep 2 box, then go ahead 1 box, right click, delete 1 box. You can keep 2 box like that, our vision, our mission. Then downside, if you want to add more stuff, you can go ahead to your add template library, because we have a more library available. Go to my template. Okay, like feature vendor, you have already pre-built stuff here, like theme. Okay, we have a name theme, you can insert this one. In your case, if you wanna create your own with Elementor about us page, then you can create your own as well with using this Elementor. So I don't want to make you confused here, because our video is about Listeo theme, its functionality and customization. So we will later on I will show you how to design it with the pre-built elements. Okay, we will install one plugin that will give us all the pre-built stuff, so that will make your work easier. So at least we already create about us page now. So we will add into our menu. Okay, now refresh your menu here, keep open other things into other tab, refresh it. Now there will be about us page we will add here. Go to menu again, look for my header menu we just create, right? Add item. Now you will see about us page here, click on it. Okay, keep it number 1. Number 2, listings. So home page on the number 1, you can delete label, keep it only home, like that. Okay, now we have a important pages. Now looks good, header looks good. We have a my account, add listing, we will customize it as well. Now we need to change this image in the backend, also the text, find nearby restaurant, customize search section, this area, right? So I will go to customize, or you can go to appearance in the WordPress, appearance, and click on customize. The same option will be open. Go to option here, you will see option here, home search option. Click on it and go to first option, general home search template option. Click on it and it will give you the setting, enable transparent header on home page. This is actually now transparent header and it's showing image. Where is that image? When you scroll down, there is a image, this image, same. You can remove this one. Okay, but if you already have a image, you can upload that image here. If not, if you don't only wanna the color in the background, you can do also. So let me go ahead, click remove this image. Okay, so now we have a blank backend area. If you have image, you also can adjust the banner capacity for the colors. Color for the image layout for homepage, for banner you can adjust color. If you like go with color, you can go with color. I will recommend use on your brand color. You can use your brand color or little gray color. Okay, let me try to use other image if I have, but I'm pretty sure I have all demo images. I need to design this image into Canva. Make sure when you design image in Canva, that should be 19 by 20 pixel wide. Okay, should be wide. And then if you wanna enable this search option, browse by category, this one enable. You can also disable this one. You have option here. Then you have a featured category. You can also feature some category downside here under the search bar, like apartments, eat and drink, events, 3 to 4. Featured category here, or browse featured category. You can disable this browse later. You can disable this one, so only featured category will be open. Yeah, you can choose as many you want. Yeah, looks good in align. Okay, you can also change these things. Featured category, make sure you have a category in featured category here. So where we have to go to listings, category, here we call it featured categories. What categories are available here? It will be visible when you customize your home page here. You also can change find nearby restaurant and customize search section in appearance. You can change all these things here. Choose search form style, this style, form style, boxed or wide. Like you can adjust it if you wanna boxed. I will recommend go with wide one, looks good. And then find nearby, You can change this one. Let me provide something else. Find local attractions, and downside like attraction, that's a typing animation. You can change here text to display in typed banner. Typed, make sure you use comma, like homes, restaurant, hotels, like that. Find local find rental, homes, restaurant, and bars, like that. And downside, where you see search banner subtitle, this one, this is the subtitle. Change complete, change it. Okay, you can provide some nice word like welcome to our website, like some other nice lines here to attract customers. Align text, align on search form center or left. Yeah, this one, you can align it to left side, this one, or you want to center, everything will be in center. Choose background type for form, image or video. You can go with also video. Then you have to provide video a WebM file or MP4 file. The background image, you can also put video here. Okay, don't forget to click publish. Okay, so let's go to number 2 option, listing list option. So this is for listing page. Let me open our listing page. Let me refresh home page. Okay, now let's go to listing page. Here you can change this banner, all listings, all these things in option, listing list option. Listing per page 5 listing, like here, but you will not see changes here because this setting is set to default listing. If I in the address bar, just after your domain, type /listings/ here for this setting. Okay, if you want to go with this one, this looks good as well, and with the map, then you have to just put this your address bar. Okay, let me show you here with the in detail. If I open, let me open any to put my URL here. Okay, you see now. Okay, you see now there is a this is my website URL, and after that there is /listings, so it will give you all your listing by default. You need to put this into your menu, in custom menu. So you have to just copy this one /listing/ only this, then go ahead to your menu in customize. We will go later on into listing list option. Let's go to first main menu and go to our menu. We create my header menu and look for listing we just create earlier. Open it, you will see URL, right? Paste only this one, slash listing slash. That's all. This is the default listing page. I hope you understand the default one. So now if I click on listing, it will open default one. Now you will see there is a 5 listing, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now you can change this one into customize. Click on customize and now go to listing list options. Here you can change this one. I will recommend keep your that particular page area while you do changes. Listing per page 5. We have 5 listing. If I change to 10, now we have 10 listing here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, 10. Author archive listing per page 3. 3 author archive per page. Show archive title above the list of listing. I will recommend keep it disabled. So this will display just only like that. Let me open. This will display here all listings, something letters. Listing archive title, listing, latest listing here. Let me open into new tab here. Refresh. Sorry, let me save changes. So archive title, let me enable this one and publish. Open this page into new tab. And now you will see this showing now listings. If you wanna you can change this one also, listing to anything. If you don't wanna display it, just disable this one, show archive title, disable. Then you don't need to do any changes here. But if you wanna enable, you can do changes here. Choose rating display style on listing. Like this is the rating, stars or numerical, like that. 4.8 listing, 4.75, depends on you. Choose price filter tag icon. Price filter, you can set to dollar or tag sign here. For your currency, you can choose your own, depends on your currency. If dollar, euro, you can choose. Price filter tag icon. Map listing marker style with icons. We have icon in the map, right? Like that, all these my icon. If no icon, that will not show icons. Okay, there is no icons, only the dots. If I set to icons, it will display every listing icons. When you zoom, it's icons like that. They will able to check each listing with tabs. Listing archive general layouts, split map content. You can change this one here. You have option to change your layout actually here. Standard title bar, full width search form. Which one you wanna, you can change it here. Sorry for that, because maybe they have I worked last time on maybe the old version. Now they provide this setting here. This is nice. We don't need to go with the mess up with the URLs. You can simply choose here. Don't do anything, just keep in mind this URL, listings default URL. Split map content, you can choose it here. Okay, sidebar side, you can bring your sidebar to the right side if you want a sidebar, and try to click on mobile also, if how it look like. If everything looks good, then good. Yeah, it's aligned. Default background image for listing, if there is no image added, for example any listing does not have image, you can put default image for those listings. You can put the image, no image, no listing image, something right on the image. Top buttons, if I disable this one, okay, so this is actually they will able to click on, like if the customer they wanna look all the listing into grid, they will see here icon to click to grid or list. Let me select one or two features, publish, and open here, refresh, and you will see here now two icons. They will able to click here how style they want, what type of style in the listing, because this listing page is very important in business. You can also radius slider, order by drop down. Let's check order by drop down, refresh it, like that. Featured, highest rated, they will able to select it for the customers. Okay, this is for the listing page. Next, single listing option. Single listing option, if I open any single listing like Burger House, so this is for the sidebar here. So there is nothing much apply if chosen layout has sidebar. This is only work if our single listing has set any default any custom sidebar, because our listing page is full width. Let's go back. Let's look at general option, sidebar generator. This is for the sidebar. Typography, which is important. You can choose. You can change your website font here. Simply, you have to select font like that. Body font. This is called body font. Then when you scroll down, there is H1 tag font. Different fonts there is. If you wanna go with the default one, you like this one, you can go with the default one. Font variant, regular, italic, it will be italic. For the font size, actually I always recommend to keep it 16 to 17. Okay, for the body 16, I think good. H1 family, H1 tag, if you wanna change. Then we have a text align, font variation. You can look all these settings. Let's go back to the blog option. Let me open my blog page. We did not add blog page, let's add it. Click on customize, go to menu. Let's open our own menu, my header menu, add item, look for blog. Here it is, blog. Now blog has been added to the menu. Click publish. Now open blog. Okay, because we not have any blog yet, but you can create some blogs to check the settings for the blog. You can check blog setting, blog options. If you want a sidebar in left side or right side, if you want to show author name, date, tags, category in the blog, this is for the blog. Share button on single post, they will able to share the post. You can enable these things. Display about author, if you want to disable. Display related post, this is related to blog post. You can check all the settings. Please write some blogs first, then go to this setting, blog options, and blog header for the blog page. This one, this is the header. You can change it from blog to something else or latest news. You can go with solid color. Publish. Let's refresh our. Okay, but there is no blog, so that's why change is not effect. Let me go back to options, footer options. In the footer option, we will able to change here our copyright text for the website here. Even if you go to your website homepage, scroll down to the footer, you will see this copyright, because this is important to change. You can change into footer options. Just change it. And footer widget layout 6 by 3 by 3. 6 will be longer, wider, 3. Okay, so that means there are, I think, 3 to 4 rows in the head, in the footer. You can change this layout to 3 by 3. If you want to display 4 stuff, 4 row, 1 2 3 4 equal 4 rows, then you have to select the 3 by 3 by 3. I will explain this one later. So right now we have set 6 3 by 3. Okay, footer style, you can change your footer to the dark layout here. Then you have to select footer style dark, publish, and check if effect. If not, you have to wait. I think we already have blog, but we need to set our blog page. Okay, we are missing to set our blog page, I think. Let me go to customize. Go to option home page setting. Yeah, we did not set our blog page. Make sure you select post name, your blog page here. Now post will be displayed here. Yeah, perfect. Now our post starts showing here like that. Now you can change styles of your blog. Okay, so let's talk about our home page REST widget, how we can customize it, like popular category, most visit places, and our testimonials and some other elements, blog. Okay, so as we already work on our this particular area to change in the customize section, right? So this area from the popular categories, this will customize with edit with Elementor from here, from the popular categories. It depends on you. If you want to create separate home page, I will also show you how to pick different elements. But I will also show you in this by customizing this home page. If you want to add some more stuff here, how to add that one. Let's go ahead, add it with Elementor, our home page. Okay, as you can see, it auto bring you to this section, because from here we are able to edit. As you can see, there is a pencil icon. Even you right click with the mouse, edit heading, where you have to provide popular category. You can change this title. Even you can provide here subtitle, like check out our latest listings, just for example. Okay, because most of people definitely they want to keep these popular category section, and they just want to change the icons or stuff. And in the icon anywhere, right click, edit taxonomy grid. Okay, then in the left side it will open taxonomy grid customizing area, where taxonomy we choose as a category. Okay, then we can also choose event category here, service category, or do one thing, you can copy this whole element, popular category element, and you can bring it to you can put it to make another row, another element here, where you can display service category. Here normal category, downside you can make one more same element where you will display service category. Okay, depends on you if you wanna display multiple categories. So as our main taxonomy here, categories, how to change all these things with icons? So for that we need to visit our category area. Okay, before we visit our category area, let me show you some more stuff here. Number second, you will see include listing from category. If you wanna include particular or exclude particular category, if I click inside it, I don't wanna show services, you can exclude it. As you can see, it exclude from here. Then we have a terms to display how many stuff you wanna display here. 6 categories. You can change it to 9 or 6 or 3. Okay, times 3. Show only top item, show listing counter. Listing counter, it will display under particular category how many listing you have, like apartment, and there is a 2 category, eat and drink has 3, 1, okay, like that. Then in the style, you can choose the style like alternative, like that. It will change the design of its style. Okay, then don't forget to publish right away. When you done changes like add anything, don't forget to publish right away so you don't miss any changes. So let's go ahead change our categories. For that we will go to our WordPress dashboard, go to listings, and we will go to normal categories here, category only option, not event category, not service, no, because all they have divided every category according business. Let's go to categories. Now we have all those categories here. Okay, how to change those icons displaying here? Go to each category. For example, apartment, if I will click on edit. Okay, I will scroll down, and here I want to give you one pro tip for SEO. Please provide a description up to 160 characters. It will help you in SEO as well. When someone going to search for apartments, and your website with this description will show them. Category icon, this is what I was talking about. Category icon, you need to change. Okay, so if you need icon, you don't have icon, how to get icons? You can try to click here if you find that particular icon. If not, if you need to put custom icon or SVG file, there is a link. We recommend using outline icon from this website. Let's click on this website. What's there? Yeah, it's huge list of icons we can. For example, apartment, then I will search for apartment, then click. Okay, so now you have to choose what type of icon, like color icons or black and white. Okay, you can first you have to choose what type of icon you go with, like color. Then you have to put each category color icon stay with same. Okay, so I will go ahead, click on it, and Okay, so if you required icons, if you not yet have icons, you can go to other website, download icons in Google search. Scroll down and you will see flat icons, flat icon website. In the flat icon website, let's search for apartment. Okay, then you have to download your icons here and upload on your category customizing area. It may take some time. Sorry for my spell. Apartment. Yeah, we have some icons. Let's go ahead which icon you like, and you will find out green download button here. Go ahead, download it. SVG or PNG, you can go with any, or PNG, you can go with any one. Free download, you must attribute the author. Okay, you can go with SVG if you like, click on it, or you can PNG, click on it. Free download. Attribute requests, you can read for attributes, then it will download. Let me keep in that dashboard. Okay, now let's go to, you can also use this website. They have recommended here outline icon from icon finder. You can use this one, depends on you. You also can get SVG icons if you wanna design itself on Canva, you can do so. Okay, so I already download that particular icon, so I will go ahead, upload SVG icon, upload file. Let me upload that one here. Yeah, here it is, building apartment. So you have to give attributes here. Okay, now I have icon already. So now then there is a category cover. Okay, assign category cover. Let me show you. If I open apartment, if I go into, let me show you, let me open a new tab, and now let me click on apartments, and you will find out in the apartments like listings. If you open apartments, if I open apartment category from the category section, I will go to listing categories, and I will open into new tab, apartments. Okay, then next is assign features for this particular category. In apartments, which particular feature available, you can choose here, and you will find out features can be created in listing feature option. If you want to create features, you have to go to feature option. First, you can make ready all the features your business providing, or your example, almost every property has a TV or flat TV. If there is a availability, then you can provide that in feature. So just then you have to only choose the features. Assign listing type category, you can assign this particular category to where it belong to rental category. You can choose which listing type, rental service or taxonomy, will be assigned to that category. Then again you have to provide in detail category description here, and click update. When I update, and you will see there is a icon will be changed in the home page. Or you can search for free download SVG icons. Okay, then you will find out SVG Pro, SVG repo, or flat icon. Free icons. You can use any website to get your icons. You can try out some of the websites here. Flat icon. Let's go to flat icon. Flat icon, we already tried this one. You can try out where you get the icons. Then you have to provide icon in this particular custom icon or SVG area. Or if you want to choose in category icon, you can choose also easily by searching apartment. Okay, if there will be availability, it will give you, or search for building, something relevant like that. There is a building icon. Then we don't need to put here. Just uncheck it. Okay, delete the value, update. Okay, now there will be our icon will has been changed like that. Apartment icon has been changed. Same to eat and drink events. Okay, go to one by one category, go back to categories, go one by one category and provide your icons. It depends on your business. Okay, let's go ahead, edit with Elementor. Let's go ahead. If you want to add some more stuff, how you can add, for example, under popular category, you want to add some more stuff. I will click here, add section, click on it. Okay, and here in the elements, scroll down, keep scroll down where you will get Listeo option. Okay, Listeo option, there is a like headline. If you need to put headline somewhere, use this, just to drag it. Taxonomy carousel, shop taxonomy grid, gallery or list, or icon box, image box. Okay, post grid. For example, you want to post, put post here. Just let me drag post grid here. Now we have a post here. What I want to add title in the upper side. So I will again click add element. I will scroll down to the again Listeo options, Listeo, and there is a heading. Now drag heading just exact upper side. Okay, like that. Our blog, and you can also put subtitle so it will look beautiful. Read our latest blog, like that. Okay, then you can close this sidebar by clicking here and check if how it look like. Okay, looks good. And then go ahead in the home page to add items. Like most visit places, there is a listing. Let me show you now listing. Okay, if you want to change most visit places top rated local business, you can add easily, edit this one easily. Every time just right click with the mouse and you will find added heading, and here left side title and subtitle, change it. Let's go to now this listing, right click, edit listing carousel. So this is a carousel, listing carousel. You can use it anywhere. If you have a multiple business categories, you can make multiple carousel here on the home page. Listing to display, how many listing you want to display? 6. So it will be slide. Sorry for that. Let me refresh my home page. Depends on you how many listing you want to display. Here 6 categories, so it will be slide 2 times. So if you put 12, there will be slider 3 slides. You can order by date, order by post ID, author, random order for the random listings. Or if you want to display like order by date or latest, order by number of comments, random order, order by date, like you want to display new categories, order by date. Then on show only listing type, if you want to display here only service category, example, I choose service. Now I need to do one thing here. Instead of, I need to change my title here, definitely here, because this is service listings, like that. Then I will display general category downside. So this is the whole element. I need to duplicate. I can duplicate it by clicking this 3 dot here, duplicate it. Now it will be added downside. Let me close sidebar. Okay, now we have 2 types of sliders. So one, I display service listing, and then I will display here some other listing, and you will find little gray because there is a no listing available, not showing. So how to fix this one? Just go to little gray, right click, edit listing carousel, and here don't choose service now, choose all or choose rental, events, any other. This way you can display more listings in the home page. Or you can also choose category type, show only listing from listing categories, example event, fitness. You can choose category, particular category, but before that you have to choose here show only listing type, like rental. Then it will give you rental category option to choose from. Okay, any element you wanna delete, just go ahead, click on X icon, delete section. Okay, don't forget to publish it. Same here, reviews, right click, or you can use this small edit icon where you bring your mouse cursor. There will be this small pencil icon, and right side it will open, allow you to change things like reviews, subtitle. We collect reviews from, you can change subtitle as well. Then review, you wanna change review, right click on the view, edit testimonials. So this is testimonials. How to change testimonial or how to display more testimonials, let me show you also. Post to display, how many testimony you wanna display, 6 or 3, you can choose here. Okay, now I choose 6. Now I publish. I need to change my testimonial in the backend. I will go to my WordPress dashboard, and you will find out their option testimonials. Click on testimonials, and all these testimonials comes with the demo content. You can delete all, and you can start provide own testimonial by clicking add new testimonial, and provide a name of the person in the title, downside the description, how they like, and the company if you want to display company name. Boom, that's all. Okay, click publish. This way your testimonial will auto change here when you're done in the backend. Let's go ahead to, if you want to change these boxes, every box, go ahead and click this pencil icon, change find interesting place, change the title, content. You can search for area, you need to change this in the content. If you want to make it clickable, then you have to provide link. If I provide any link, and you will find out it will be like clickable. Okay, people will able to click it. Or you can display category something like here, okay, instead of this stuff. Depends on you what you want to display here. Check reviews, example this next box, check reviews. I will click edit, and now I will link here my review page. If I have a review page, you can create separate review page if you want. Then same blog, you can add it. If you want to keep same area for the blog, you can do so. Okay, for example, if you want to change this blog section upper side here somewhere, go ahead and copy the whole element. Whole element means when you hover your mouse here, you need to copy 2 times. First we will copy the heading, or you can use add element. Go to Listeo and just drag heading first, then drag post grid. Okay, same will be display. Or you can click edit. How many display? Post, 3 post. Even you can choose post category. For the post category, you have to go to post in the WordPress and go to categories. Write your post category. Okay, here delete all the stuff, demo stuff, and provide your own category here related to your business. This will help you in search engines as well. Just write some nice post about your business. Then that's all. Okay, so example, if I want to add more item, I will click add element, and I will scroll down to end to check Listeo what features they have. They have image box, flip banner, pricing table. Example, you want to add pricing table here in the home page. Just to drag pricing table somewhere. Okay, now first you have to decide how many pricing table you have. Example, you have a 3 pricing table. So let me first delete this one. Now delete this one. Now in the plus icon, first click on it, choose flexbox. How many pricing table you have? 3 or 2? Example, 2 pricing box. You have to select 2 layout. Okay, now we have a 2 layout. I will click add element again and search for pricing table. Drag into each box. Again add element, search price again, scroll down to Listeo and pricing table in the next box. Okay, now you can change the title like standard package. In the title, you have to change this title. In the title, you can provide the features they will get in the box. Price, how much price? You can set price, discount, per month, and buy now button. In the buy now button, actually you can, guys, if you already have Stripe or PayPal already link, you can provide direct buy button. Okay, in every payment processor, they will allow you to provide direct buy buttons or links. Then you can feature package. You can feature any package here like that, and you can change color of the packages. Okay, and this will be only allow clickable when you provide link in buy button URL. If I put any link, now you will see it will be clickable. And in the buy button label, provide buy now, and you will see there will be a button. When you make sure you provide first values, and it will become buy now. In the title, provide like 5 listings they will get in this package, standard package, and I will in the keyboard, just press shift and enter. It will bring you one step down, and they will get image upload up to 20 per listing, example, like that feature. What feature they will get? Okay, this way you can display pricing table for the business. Let me cancel this one. Let's try out some other elements we have. In Listeo we have a listing, testimonial, pricing table, WooCommerce. This is very important. There is option pricing table WooCommerce, which is important. Example, if I'm not logged in on the website, and I will go to my website homepage, and I have option add listing. If I click here add listing, they will see to choose package first, right? So this is the similar thing in here if you want to display it on the home page. Pricing table WooCommerce. How to change these? Because a lot of people asked me last time how to change these packages, this stuff. Let me show you how you can change these packages. In the WordPress dashboard, go to products, click on all products. Okay, so now we have 3 plans already here: basic, extended, professional. We can edit these simply, or you can create your own. How to do that? Go to products. Let me first find where is basic, extended, professional plans. Click on very end, next row, go to very end of the products, and you will find out professional, extended, basic, 3 plans here with amount. Okay, if I want to edit basic plan, so I have to edit it from here. If I click on edit, and now we are editing basic plan. Plans always available in products. Okay, if I scroll down in basic plan, there is a standard listing, limited sport, same thing here in the basic. Unlimited number of listing, unlimited availability of listing. You can change it in, scroll down here, free of charge. Let me scroll up. Here you have to choose it from here. If you wanna, for example, if your plan has unlimited availability of listing, unlimited number of listing, I'm pretty sure because they have set here in the general, make sure in the product data you select the listing packages. Okay, if you're adding any listing, business listing or rental place, then you will choose listing booking. Okay, so now we are creating plan. We have to click listing packages. In the general, provide the package price, how much. In the basic plan there is a 0. Now let me provide 500, just for example to show you, and you can even run it for the sale. Now you can see listing limit is unlimited. If you did not put any value, it will auto set to unlimited. If I put in the basic plan, definitely in basic plan we have a standard, we have a more plan. In basic very down plan, we only allow 10 listing to upload. For the vendors, for the other people, they have to pay this amount in order to upload 10 listing on our platform. Okay, you can adjust your price. Listing duration. Listings will be available up to 30 days and it will be renewable. If you click here, the number of days that listing will be active. So after 30 days, it will be renewable. Okay. If that listing is available for a long time, you can delete, just to delete it, and it will display them here some message unlimited availability of listing. It will auto display unlimited number of listing, but if I put the number, it will show 10 listing here. Then standard listing, listing support, all you need to put in. These are features in the description, product description. Do same thing in the keyboard. Keep press shift and enter. It will bring you one step down and provide features. Write about features, or you can just write and select all and bullet list, make it bullet list. Okay, first example, you can just uncheck the bullet list, uncheck it, and then one by one keep provide, like standard listing, client support, or two-way messaging, iCall. You're allowing iCall to sync your listings, example iCall, and social media. So I have provided 4 features here. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, now we have 4 features. I will select all and click on bullet list, or you can do one by one if you want. Just give one space, one space, one space. Now select bullet. Okay, this way you have to select what features, or you can just put one example. Let me show you from beginning. Standard listings. Okay, now I will select all text. Okay, I will now click on bullet list. Now if you after this with the keyboard, keep press shift and enter, it will make another bullet point downside. Okay, this way you can add description. Then in the categories, product category, you can make one category, plans. If you not see, you can click add new category, plans. Okay, make sure you don't display plans category in the front end, or you can exclude this one, or you can keep it uncategorized. That's okay. Next, feature listing. If this particular basic, because now featured is extended plan, you can feature professional plan. Okay, which plan you wanna make featured, you have to click here. Feature listing, yes, you have to enable here. Booking module, allow booking module on listing bought from this package, so people will able to book your listings. You allow them booking module. If you allow them review module, meaning the people who will buy listing from you, they will able to access the review module, or you will able to access review module, like gallery module. Allow gallery on this listing bought from this package. How many gallery limit, how many image they can upload, like 20 images per listing, then you have to put 20. Limit of number of image that can upload is set to empty or 0, no limit, 0 for no limit. Social media module. So actually let me show you this how it works. If I go to my dashboard, you have to click here add listing, so you will get this dashboard. So example, this is admin dashboard, and the people who will subscribe plan, they will see something similar to this. In the listing option, for example, I pick basic plan, and I will get option coupon, review, bookmark, because these are the modules I allow them. If I go to coupon, I will able to create a coupon for my people, or I can provide them coupon. They will able to get a discount. This is for the vendors or other business people who wanna enable coupon, their own coupons on their listings. Reviews. And visitor, they will able to check visitor review, URL review, even add reviews. Bookmark, they will able to access bookmarks. You don't have any bookmarks. Okay, so here is booking module. Booking module allow other people to book right away their listing. If they will not get a booking module, other people not able to buy their listings until they will get that sufficient plan. Let me go to main dashboard. So main dashboard something look like this. Okay, if I go to again add listing, it will bring me again to the package option. Okay, which package they need to buy. For example, I want to buy the extended package. I will select here and submit listing. If I click on submit listing, it will ask to choose listing type they want to list on. You can also choose these things or what you allow them: rental, event, classified category. Okay, for example, rent, I have property, I wanna. Okay, when they provide this information, listing, choose category, these features I was talking about, you allow them social media here in the modules: booking module, review module, gallery, social media link module, opening hour module, video module, coupon module. So when they create listing, they will able to access these things like booking module here. Here they have to turn it on, and when they turn it on, they will able to provide the price of their listing. Okay, if you are not allow them this booking module, they will not see this booking module. Okay, first you have to allow them by click here, allow booking on listing. Okay, then they have reservation fees, their own fees, even their own payment method, required online payment. Okay, then they have to enable instant booking, minimum stay, maximum guest stay, enable price per guest. Okay, you can also do so. Availability calendar. Okay, here is the thing for the iCall. Let me also show you iCall. If I go to my listing, active listing. Okay, so these, as I'm admin, so I can put iCall to my listings. When you click on, you have to go to front end dashboard to put your iCall here. Every listing, I click on my listing, active listing, then each listing has option iCall here. You can import iCall or export iCall here to sync your listings. Okay, you have to go one by one these things, because I find in the backend I did not get this option earlier days, so I will again check here. Okay, along with this, let me also explain you here. In the WordPress dashboard, we have option Listeo editor. Listeo editor. Okay, let me go to Listeo editor, number 1 option. So we have here export things, import things, listing fields. Let's go to listing fields. Okay, so here contact fields. If I go to example, if I open any listing, so here send message, click on that, they will able to send message, and in the contact listing, let me go back, contact field. Actually this used for contact if you wanna like you can see here, contact owner visit, use above email. Okay, you can if you allow them to put their website when they contact you, Facebook, you can remove or edit these things, or you can add more field. Example, let me give you example, rental field, okay, which is important. Rental field, area and rooms, okay. Example, you want to add more stuff, instead of rooms you want to add more stuff, okay. Okay, now let me go to listings, add listing. Let me show you add listing. Okay, I will scroll down here, contact detail. I was talking about contact fields, same thing, you have to backend set what option you need when you creating your listings. You can adjust it. Example, this particular listing you wanna enable contact owner visit, so they will able to see contact visit, contact to owner. Even you can provide you can if you are writing your own listing on property or on directory, then you can access these things in the front end. Same in the gallery, okay, same in the location. Then you have to go to location field. These all setting available in under Listeo editor. Address, Google map, latitude, okay, same here. Rental field, how much area, 500 square foot, how many room, this particular listing has 5 rooms, example here. But before you go into write your listing, let me show you to create one demo listing so you understand. Bobby apartment. In the description, provide the description about that particular apartment. You can give detail here, okay. But for the rooms, how many rooms or list, gallery stuff, everything down section you can add. Rest you can add in the description. Okay, then next is listing admin area, which is important. So you have to understand it. Set expiration date for this particular listing. So Bobby apartment, I have I'm doing business with them, so I'm going to add this one. So this listing, they just to pay me and for some bugs, and I will allow them to enable this listing up to 31 December. After that, this listing will no longer. Or if you don't want to set a date, your listing will be still visible. Just to delete the date. Okay, what you will experience if you example set 11 for tomorrow, and this is December 10 today. I set 11 December, and this particular listing will now no longer available in the backend as well. How to find that one? Then I will go to listing, all listings. In the all listing, yeah, here in the bulk action, click expire listing, apply, and you will see all the expired listing here. Either it need to be renew, how to renew itself, or you can renew it. Okay, either if the next person is creating in the front end, they need to visit their dashboard. Example, it's their dashboard. Example, expiring is set to never. Okay, because they have choose plan unlimited plan. Okay, if they have 30 days plan, then they will see here 29 days left or something, and they will able to edit it. And scroll down, let me check if we have option for this. Yeah, here opening hours, booking, available, yeah, availability. Okay, depends on you if you allow them for unlimited or how many days. It work with the backend. It will auto expire, but you can renew their listing manually here. In the expire listing, you need to click edit, and then you have to scroll down where expiration date, then you have to provide updated date here, next, like January 2025. Okay, make sure your your date in the future, then save changes. This listing will be available into active listings or approved listing. Okay, let's go to here. We are creating now our listing. Location, my this property location is you can do one thing here in address, just to start typing address. Wait, let me check, because I'm pretty sure there is a option, it will allow you auto suggest you. If not, do one thing, go to Google Map or copy here, find place ID, copy this link, whole link, and open into new tab, place ID finder. Okay, so here you can easily find a place ID. You need to put location, example Manila, and select, and you will see place ID. Okay, you need to copy this place ID. It will give you information for the place ID. Or you can do one thing. Let me go to map, Google Map, open map. Now let me search here my location. Example, my listing available in Manila. I will open it, then definitely I will find my location with zoom, right? Example, if I find my location here, okay, this way or nearby, I will right click with the mouse and you will find the value. It called latitude and longitude. You need to put it here. Okay, here, this value. On the location, right click with the mouse, copy this. Or location to here. Share this location. Okay, then it will give you latitude and longitude value. Right click, copy, just copy it, and go back to our, we are creating listing. Put the value, the first value is latitude, next is longitude, and copy the rest after the comma, and put longitude differently in the next, like that. So delete from the next, divide it to 2. Here the first value is latitude and longitude. Now we have set a location here, but if you Google Map address, you can also use for geolocation and links. You can try to search here. I'm pretty sure it should be it will suggest you location here, but before you do this, you have to set API key in the backend. Okay, let me go to Listeo editor, and sorry for that, Listeo core map setting. Okay, you have to provide API key, scroll down, you will see Google Map API key. Put Google Map API key here. But if you're using OpenStreetMap, then you have to visit OpenStreetMap website. Here is option address suggestion provider. It will suggest you when you create your listing in the option Google Map address. Here you have to search the location. Before you do this, make sure you select here Google Maps, and it's saying required API key for map suggestions, right? Then you have to put API key and save changes, then refresh. It will start typing. It will give you suggestions. It will auto fill up all the information. Rest, make sure you first click on it, required API key, open into new tab. It will give you documentation how to get map API key. Along with that, number 1 step here, create new project. Go to Google Developer Console, right click, open into new tab, and you have to follow all these steps to get map API key. This is very easy, and the link is given here, required API key in address suggestion provider, or here map provider. If you wanna use OpenMapStreet, you can use that as well, or no, Bing Map, Mapbox, a lot of options here. But in the address suggestion, you can use OpenStreetMap. If you don't want to go with the Google Map, you can use Street Map. Okay, then you have to scroll down, look for other options here. For example, if you choose Mapbox access token, you have to provide value. It depends which map you choose. Then radius search setting. First you have to select like Google Map API key for server side geolocation. Okay, it will give functionality for the radius slider default, search unit kilometer. Okay, let me show you. If I open any listing in the front end, go to listings. If I click any listing and I will scroll down, there is a map. Keep scroll down. As you can see, now it's using OpenStreetMap here. You can use OpenStreetMap, that's okay too. Okay, you have to set these things, radius, search unit, all these things. Zoom label, you can set a zoom label, automatically locate user on page load. It will auto locate nearby location. You can restrict search result to one country. You can provide that country here. You wanna restrict it. Okay, so we are creating our listing. Let's go to next. Gallery. If you wanna keep on the top gallery, let me open any listing. Along with that will be more easier for you understand. So gallery is on top now. You wanna keep on the top, or you can gallery in content, and then click upload image. Then you have to select image. How many image? Keep select. Example, let me select some image here, 1 2 3, and select image. Now we have a lot of image. Okay, let me delete some other, like these listings. Then we have option contact detail, the number, phone number. If you allow them to provide your phone number, business phone number or email, they can contact you. Or you can provide also Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp number. Okay, then next, event field, event date. If there is if this particular listing is related to event, then you have to select listing type to event. Make sure you have a ready event categories. That's why it depends on your business. If you have a service, rental, or classified type of listing, must choose. If you choose rental, definitely I will put information in rental field. If I select event, then I will look for event fields. Put event detail, the date and size. Okay. Then next option is pricing field. How much the minimum price range of this particular apartment for one day. Minimum cost 180. It can go up to 220. Okay. This value, this information will display on the listing. Here, minimum $5, maximum 25 in the green, and this is a category we select. Okay. Then classified field, if this is particular listing is classified. Video, put the video URL or embed URL here. Custom field, you can add custom field. Example field descriptions. Okay. Then you have a time zone. You can select manually time zone here. Opening hours for this particular property. Even you can add time. Use 24-hour, add time. You can add time like opening in the morning, noon, evening time, like that. Pricing status, I wanna display pricing status. Hide pricing table on listing page but show bookable service in booking visit. If you wanna hide pricing table on listing page for this listing. Because some people they wanna hide the price in the starting. Okay, here. But if they request booking or book, they will see the price. Then menu item, this is like add-on service. If I open this option and here classic burger and pricing options. Okay, show more, like chicken burger. This is for the restaurant. They can add on services. You can add those in the menu, like massage and menu item, the name of the item, the price, how much you charge, $10. Is this bookable? Yes, they will able to book this particular service. When they book here, they will see here, also choose here, or extra service. They will able to choose into extra service. If I put the massage, they will able to select here massage as well, and the price will be double here. Add, the price will be added. Is this bookable? Is this the bookable option one-time fee or multiply by guest or day? You have to carefully select the option. Or you can set even bookable quantity. Provide little description also. WooCommerce ID, don't change it, please. WooCommerce product ID, don't change it unless you know what you are doing. So this will actually in the backend in the WooCommerce automatic create product for you. Okay, because everything working with the WooCommerce, this is generate WooCommerce product ID which sync in the backend. Store setting for listing, store section status. Show store card visit on listing sidebar. show store card visit on listing sidebar, show product to display, reserve withdraw, logo icon, white below. Okay, if this particular listing, if you don't allow them to book on your own system, okay, they will not see here book now until you make setting. It will request booking, or if you provide here link, external booking link, they will able to book into third-party platform. Booking status, you need to enable it here. Okay, then they will see here option book now. Then regular price, make sure you put price. Before price, the booking will not work. Reservation fees, if there is reservation fee, and enable price per guest. If you charge price per guest, then you have to select price per guest, and make sure you enable instant booking, so they will able to book right away. Payment option, yes, required online payment, but if you have physical offline payment, required only cash payment or online. Allow online payment, required online payment. If you allow them to because you need to set payment method in the backend, and select here required online payment. Then you have to go to WooCommerce setting and payment. You have to add your payment method here. They will able to book this particular list. Maximum guest allow in this property 5 guests, or how many capacity. Minimum days, you have to put days. Listing keyword is very important for list for search terms. If I put Bobby apartment in the scroll down to end keywords, I will put it, and with comma I will put some relevant keywords. So what this will do, this will generate the bunch of the list of keywords when the people come to your website. Okay, they will visit the home page, and when they search anything on your website, example what you're looking here, like apartment, and it will auto suggest them Bowie apartment or some other, because you set keywords in the backend. So I always suggest to put keywords. Once you already put keywords in all the listing, your search system will be very good. Trust me, here it will work very good way. First, in the initial time, this might take some time to work, because you did not set any keyword related to the search system. You have to put in the keyword. If you have any question, you can ask any question in the comments. If you require to contact, you can also contact if you need any help. Okay, then after you create listing, in the sidebar you have to select that particular category this listing belong to, and you can check features, what feature in this particular property. Make sure you write all the features, all the reason in the backend, because right now we have only 2 reason. So you have to write all the reason. Even you can add here, add new reason right away here. It will create right away. If you wanna go this way, this is also good. When you create listing, you can add this information that way. If this listing is verified, then you have to select verified. Let me show you. If I go to listings, and you will find out some listing has been verified. If I click this listing, and this will display here verified listing. Okay, in some cases other people, they need to verify the listing, they need to fill up the information to verify it. I will also show you that one. because our video has been long, so but that's okay. I need to explain everything. I try my best. Okay, then we have a feature listing. If this is feature listing, for the feature listing, it will display in the listing area here. It's featured, it will display as featured. Then they will able to select what feature categories, feature listing we have, like normal order. If they choose here featured, and they will see this listing as well, because we set here this is feature listing. So I hope you understand. Click publish. This way you can create one by one all the listings. Okay, so now let's go to Listeo core options, and we understand each option is what for, and I will also show you with example, as we already done with general and map setting in the starting. So map setting is you have to set up API key to enable the functionality for map. Let's go to submit listing. Submit listing, let me show you is what about, so you will understand. So submit listing, okay, as this is my website, and if I click on add listing and select any plan, example this plan, and submit listing, you can see now some listing types here in the submit listing. Sport listing type, if you select one of these, it will be by default, and choose listing type step in submit listing. This is the step. Okay, listing form will be skipped if you deselect all these default type service. If I deselect all these, and this step here will be skipped, and by default it will added. Default type will be always service. Okay, you can check here. And service type icon, if you have service, you are building service type website, then you have to upload image set icon for service listing type. Okay, you have to provide here service listing icon. Here icons, you can see each service has icons. You can upload your own icons here. Same here, rental type icon, event classified. Disable booking module, you can disable by default. Booking module is enabled on your website, but if you check this option, it will deactivate on your website. In submit listing, let me show you submit listing. If I click add listing and choose any, example rent, and booking module will not allow here. Okay, if you disable here. Admin approval required for new listing. If I'm going to, let me cancel all those tabs, sorry for that. Okay, add listing and submit listing. Okay, example, this is my new listing. My vendors adding new listing in the front end, and they required my approval as admin approval in order to live their listing on the website. So in the pending listing or need approval, you always can check in the listing options, all listing, and here in bulk action you can check approved listing, or if there will be a pending approved, and you will see new option here, pending approved. Okay, so what else? Admin approval for added listing. If someone added a listing in the front end, here example, they change anything, they change event category or listing title, they need again approval. If you check this option, notify admin by email about new listing waiting for approval, this will notify to default admin email to check there is a new listing. Listing duration, by default you can set listing duration for all the listings. By default it's a 30 days. If you set a 0 here digit, and if you don't want listing to have expiration date, then you have to set a 0 and all listing will be always active. Listing upload limit 15 images. You can increase this, but I would recommend 15 to 20, so your listing will not become heavy on your hosting provider. For the hosting, you can choose a Hostinger or Bluehost. I have given link in description for discount, you can check out there. Listing image maximum size in megabyte MB, 15 megabyte, which is already good. All image always most of image have 5 MB, 3 MB, but not up to 5 MB is good. You can reduce this. Submit listing map center point. You can select center point here. You can select any center point for the people. They need to then just change a little bit. If your business in USA, you can set this middle point to the US somewhere. Then save changes. Don't forget to save changes. Let's go to packages option. Adding listing by user will require purchasing listing package. If you disable this option, they just have click here add listing and they skip this option plans. They just go to this page or next page to add listing. That's all. Okay, this only enable if you have a paid plans. Allow package to only be purchased once per client. For example, if I purchase basic plan, so I can be stay on basic plan per user. Okay, I cannot purchase again basic plan because I'm already on basic plan. Example, check module to disable it in submit listing type if you want to make them available only in package. Example, if I disable this option paid listing, they will able to add listing. Okay, they will able to add listing here, but example rent, but they not have these options available. Booking module, review module, all these I will disable. In order to enable these options, they will not see here. Booking, coupon visit. Okay, they need to purchase plan for that. Then you can disable these things if you have a free, if you allow free trial or free plan. Show extra package option automatically in pricing table. Extra package option if you offer extra package or any trial package, this is option. Save setting. Okay, let's go to single listing. Let me open any single listing so you will understand. If I go to any listing, okay, this is the setting for single listing. Because I'm trying to explain you in easiest way along with examples. Default gallery type. Gallery on top required minimum 4 photos. Our gallery is always on top. Let me open any other. Yeah, gallery always on top, but they need to put 4 images, 1 2 3 4, in order to get slidable like that. There is an option gallery in content. You can try out with save setting and check out if the effect. Enable Google review. If you want to enable Google review on this listing, you can enable that option. Set language for Google review. Definitely English, but if you wanna go with the local language, you can do so. How many days should be review be cached for? 7 days. Show Google review rating on listing if there no Listeo reviews. Show Google review rating on listing if there are no Listeo review. Example, if example, this listing, if this listing does not purchase from particular service, not purchase from people, there is no review yet, and then it will automatic show Google reviews. It will help you to get to display nice reviews. Allow owners to add review. Who's the property owner? They will able to add reviews. Allow reviewing only to user who made a booking. Yeah, because most of people, they only allow people who already purchase particular listing. Example, if I get or purchase any product, definitely I only the one who leave review how was my service, right? Disable add photo option in review form. You can disable add photo in the review. There will not be any option to add photos. Disable review on listing. You can also disable all the review on the listing if you don't want whole listings. Hide real address on listing and list. Okay, most of people, they want to hide the physical address here. Example, this information they want to hide. Okay, you have an option here to hide real address listing. So testimony as list of checkbox on single template. Select which testimony should be displayed as list on single listing view. Features. Yeah, here in single listing we have here, there should be features. Let me go back. Let me open any other. So there will be features. Add review is here. Number 4 option, add reviews. Yeah, features. By default, features are displaying under the particular service or first single listing. Featured option I wanna display here, but you can display like classified category. Okay, category or reason, and save setting. Let's go to booking module. Remove guest option from all booking visit. Let me open any. Here, guest on the booking. This is for the booking. Remove guest options from the all booking visit. Here it will remove guest options. Remove coupon option from booking visit and confirmation. If they select any service like this one, pick the, and it will remove the coupon here. They will see coupon. It will remove coupon option for booking visit and confirmation. Coupons are enabled by default. Coupons are enabled by default. Allow owner to make booking. For example, I'm a property owner. This is my own listing, but I can book itself my own listing. Count last day of data range in rental booking. By default, last day as as the checkout date is not calculated in price. Yeah, by default, just keep it, and it will not consider checkout date. Definitely we not consider checkout date, right? Make email field required in booking confirmation form. If they book, for example, if they select any property, and example here, coupon is by default enable, I was talking about. And if they request booking, and it will ask email here, personal detail email, and you can make it required here. Make email field required, make phone field required here. Okay, add address field confirmation address. You can put another option here, address, if you required address. Disable payments in booking. Booking will have price, but the payment won't be handled by site. Disable wallet in Listeo core in pages. You can disable payments if you want. For instant payment option, required payment first to confirm the booking. User will have to pay. Yeah, user will have to pay before book any property. Okay, by default. Show expire booking in dashboard page. So example, if I go to my dashboard here, my account dashboard, and you will see bookings here, they will able to see expired booking options. Set how long booking will wait for payment before expire. 48 hours. You can reduce to 24 hours. 0 to disable this option. You can set a 0 here to disable this particular option. Let's go to browse search options. Browse search options. Let me go to my dashboard. This option for here, choose category, filter. For the search form, it can be anywhere on listing. Search form is also available here. Okay, so Ajax based listing browsing enable. I will recommend keep it enable. Make features taxonomy related to category. Okay, this option will refresh list of feature based on the category. Okay, if I select any particular category, eat and drink, and more filter, or if you set some else options in the here in the search bar, the particular or related taxonomy will be shown, like feature, what feature in eat and drink, and those will be those related listing will be displayed. Make listing type taxonomy related to category. Listing type. Restrict location search only to address field. This option will limit search only to address field if radius search is not used. Otherwise, it search for content and title as well. If I search for any property, apartment, if I did not set radius or location, let me go to main page. Apartment. If I did not set any location or radius and I directly search, it will, what it's saying, it will search for content and title as well, like related stuff, what else you have in with particular keyword. But make sure you add keywords in each listing, as I explained earlier. So those options or search or browsing will be work perfectly after that. Keyword search option, this is very important. Select how searching by text will work. search listing title content. This is very important. Or you can do search for all custom metadata. Even there is a blog or it will search for everything on your website related, but you can keep it on first option. So it will only search for listings, their title, their keyword, if there is a set keyword. Okay. Keyword search mode, exact match or approximate match. You can set it. If I search for apartment, and if I search, it will only search for apartment. If I set to approximate, it will give you search nearby approximate to the words if this word particular add in any other title. So it will give you approximate match. Then click on save changes. Let's go to registration, which is important. Enable force front end login. Okay, this is option. I will not recommend to enable this one. This will force front end login, like if someone visit our website, and it will immediately force to log into the system. So I will not recommend this. Login registration page type, separate page or Ajax form pop-up. If I log out from here, because I need to log in it again, so I'm not sure if you able to, if I log out, you able to check, still able to check my dashboard. Okay, example here, if I log out, and you will see sign in or sign up option, and when they click, it will pop up. This is what it means, Ajax form in pop-up for registration form type. Or if you set to separate page, it will, when they click sign in or sign up, it will bring to one separate page for the registration. Automatically login user after successful registration. Once they already register, it will automatic login them to the dashboard. They will able to access the dashboard like my account. It will automatic like login them. Enable privacy policy link in registration. I always recommend to display all the required pages. So you can do one thing, you can create a privacy policy, term, condition, all the pages in pages option first. Okay, or required information. Enable reCAPTCHA on registration form. This is for the security. I always recommend to enable this option, to enable reCAPTCHA. Okay, but you have to provide reCAPTCHA site key from Google. Get the site key from this particular link. You have to visit this particular link, and when you go to this particular link, it will bring you to this reCAPTCHA here. Then you have to request for here, add create key, register new site and provide label v3, select v3 here, domain, add your domain name, and boom, it will give you a key for reCAPTCHA, secret key, and for v3 put into v3 option. Set a default role for registration form, owner or guest. By default it's owner, so if someone going to register on website, they will be an owner of the listing, right? Or guest. You can check out. If you set it hidden, set a default role in setting, general, new user default role. You can set new default role in setting here. In the setting general, there will be option for the roles. You can also hide role field in registration form. They will not able to select their role. For example, I think I need to log out here. Let me log out. Okay, now I have signed in. If I click here, and if I click on register, registration is disabled because our system is not live now. But when they click on register, they will see either guest or owner. They will see two options, right? I need to log in again. Let me quick fix. Okay, so this is a related to registration form. You can hide role. They will not able to select role. Hide username field in registration form. Display first and last name. You can check. This is related to registration form. All the options. Okay, and there is a important options like add password pickup field, registration form, add additional password strength. Okay, for the security you can enable in the backend, so they will have provide strong password for each user. Allow user to change his role in account page. Work only for guest, means they, because a single person or property owner can be a guest, right? So they can even switch to guest or owner. They can switch to owner to register their property. They can switch to guest like booking stuff. Owner, redirect after registration page. You can redirect them where you want, or dashboard page, anywhere. You can check these options. But it already selected here. Automatically login user after successful registration. I think that's enough. Required term and condition approve in registration. If you required for your business term and condition, if it required to in it will ask for approval term and condition before they register on your website. Then you have to select your term and condition page. So I would recommend create term and condition page first in the pages, then select here. Okay, let's go to token setting. For the vendors, default user role for new user, definitely vendor, their vendor. Disable product category from token, because this product category, accessory, bath, gadget, if the business in these things like booking, logos, living, extra service, okay, you can disable anything you're not allowed to vendor. You can check these categories in WooCommerce. Under WooCommerce there is a product and category. You will see all these categories. Excuse. Then PayPal payout, this is for the vendors. Okay, they will able to request payout. You need to activate this option. Activate provide PayPal client ID here, which is important. Email subject to send commission. Okay, you have received a payout commission, thank you for the commission. Then pages, if you set later on Stripe, in the you will also see option for the Stripe for sure. But you can check with your own knowledge how it works in the documentation page of Listeo. Then here in the pages, just make sure all the pages are set to exact, like booking confirmation, set booking confirmation page should be there. If any page missing, just choose page must be lost password page. If there is no page, you have to find lost password, like here it is. Select page, reset password page, reset password page, select here. Claim listing already select, coupon, who order page, all is good. iCall generator is, make sure you have select iCall page here. Save setting, that's all. Next, email, this is for the from email, like your company name, and from email your business email here. Logo for email, your company email. Registration welcome email for user, welcome to our website. You can change all these things here. Okay, for new user, this is they will get this email, welcome to our website. You can put website name or thank you for using. Here is your username, login information, and thank you. You can add more words. Listing publish notification. Your listing has been published. Don't change this brackets things. Okay, like username is in a bracket, don't change these things. Otherwise you can make correction or add more words. Okay, so let's move to next. What else? Yeah, let me show you here. Dokan payment. Yeah, for the Stripe you have to visit WooCommerce, or you can check payments. Okay, in the payments, direct bank transfer, you can enable this option. And for the setting, go to setting, then you have to visit the payments, and here, or you have to go to plugins, add new plugin, then here search for Stripe for WooCommerce, or payment plugin for Stripe WooCommerce. You can go with this one. Payments plugin for Stripe, this one, you can go with this one. You have to install and set up. When you install it and activate it, it will display under WooCommerce setting and payment. You have to set up there. Okay, so make sure you create all the required pages on the website. For the booking, you can check all the bookings, what bookings you have in the booking option. You can even check client, owner. If it is client, it will show client property like vendor or owner, client as guest, owner, property owner, listing, start date and date, like booking and price information, and you can take action from here. Okay, let's go to pages. Click all pages. Make sure you create here privacy policy or important pages also. Let me show you some in the, yeah, we have to set up also some things here in the footer. Yeah, we need to set up our footer. For footer, you can, let me check where is the footer option. Okay, to work on example header, for the header you have to go to appearance, customize, and then first option header. Okay, once it's done, then for the footer, scroll down, first footer. First you have to go to option here, footer option. Okay, then you have to change the copyright text here for the footer. Copyright widget layout, this layout, like 1 2 3 4. Now there are 4, but you can, if you wanna go with 3 by 3 equal layouts, then it will give you 4 layout equally. You can go with only 2, 6 by 6, or single, or then you can go 4 by 4, like 3 layouts. Or you can also directly click these icons to change your footer things. Or do one thing, don't forget to publish here, then go back, go to visit options, visits. Now let's go to footer first column. Which one is it? Send me an email, this one. Click on it. So actually this is a only text, there is nothing to do with it. You can just delete it by 3 column, delete. Instead of this, you can add like a website, your website logo, paragraph. To add that one, click on add block. Let's choose heading, where we put our website name. Joy Bookings, and you need to add logo. Select here, click on add block, select image. Now select your logo from media library. Okay, then you need to adjust your logo like that, little bigger. Okay, you can try with close, you can try out. If you only want logo, not here this title, you can skip this one, delete it from 3 dot here, 3 dot, click on it, delete it. Now we have a logo. Next, helpful links, it will be under footer column 2. In footer column 2 you can check what you have. You have actually 2 things, but you can keep it one single. Okay, we don't need to take too much stuff. Okay, if you wanna add some more things in the links, you can add into 3rd row. Okay, because here in 2nd row we have 2 things. Let me delete one of this because I only wanna keep helpful links. Okay, now looks clean. Helpful links, if you click here, select a menu. So I have here a lot of menu. I will recommend create footer menu for yourself first. Let's go to appearance, menu. Now let's create footer menu for our privacy policy like pages. So first we will check manage location. Click on manage location to check if location is good, if there is no mismatch. So then go to create new menu, middle footer, or you can name it footer number 1, footer 1, and create menu. Don't select any here, just create menu. Now we add page privacy policy pages. Click view all. Now here you have to find pages like about us, blog page, we usually contact page, privacy policy page, term condition page. Then once you select, click add to menu. Now it will add it here. That's all. You can align it up and down if you want any page, and then just simply save menu. Okay, then in another tab where we are editing our footer, first publish, then refresh. It will refresh your menu we just create. So now we will go back to option visits, and here scroll down, so you will see changes. Footer number 2 column here. Now we just create menu. We have to select here in select menu, footer 1. We just create footer 1 here. That's all. Okay, you can see those pages showing here. This way you can add pages here. Next, let's go to number 3. If you wanna what you wanna display here, you can. Let's go to footer column 3. Here there is only text again, delete it. And now click on add block. If you wanna also display menu in that way, in that particular area, you have to search here menu and choose navigation menu option and select your menu you wanna display in 3rd row like that. Make sure you provide title services, like services menu, then you create services menu separately. Okay, this way you can display here. Don't forget to click publish. Now let's talk about some colors and fonts. If you want to change font for the website, you have to go to typography option and then font family. You can choose font family for the body here. H1 to H6 you can choose differently here. You have all options here. Okay, then for the colors, go to colors where you can enable even dark mode for your website like that. If you like dark mode, then you can go with dark mode. Looks beautiful. Okay, this way you can go with. And background color, even you can choose background color, or you can choose the main theme color is now red, this one, but you can change it to like blue. Depends on your logo. Okay, now the main color changed to logo, changed to blue now. I will recommend as keep your brand colors. Okay, click publish. Same for the header. You have to create own menu for the header in appearance and menus. There are some other options like shop option. We not use it. Colors, background, widget, home page setting. In the home page setting, which is very important thing here, because we have a multiple home page comes with the demo content, right? In the home page section, let's try to choose home number 2, home 2, to change our home page design. If how it look like, it will change from here because this is prefix area, right? So it will change from here like that. And try to go with home number 3. You can also edit these things later on if you want. In home number 3, there is a popular category section with slide, most visit places, and then there is a banner, business, there is a plan, they can directly purchase plan here, blog. Okay, home number 4. Okay, browse listing is looks beautiful. You can try out. There is a in home 4 there is a big map to choose. Just to go ahead, search for the listing directly, and it will you can see here it changed the search system. Home 5. Okay, home 6. In home 6 there is like find rental homes. Okay, if you have a rental business or restaurants, anything, if you like anything, just to go ahead with it and start customize it. Example, I like this one, home 6. I publish it. I go back to my home page. Let's open our home page. Yeah, now I will click customize. In customize, I will go to header. Let's try not in header, general option, search, home search option. Yeah, general home search template here, this one. Here there is a image here, no select image, but you can select image here. Image not showing here, or because you have to select image here. Let me go back. Yeah, here it will be under home search with slide template, because this is our slider template. Okay, then there is a home page slider image. Then let's try to add the image here. Yeah, you can see the image has been changed. Okay, it's in under home search with sidebar. SVG background, there are some value. If you want to keep, you can just, you have to leave it. Okay, if you want a solid background, you can go with solid background as well, and then choose the background like dark, like that. And then you have to solid background, and then for the headline and text, then you have to go with white one, so it will be visible like that. Looks beautiful. Okay, this way you can change any template, anything here. For rental, restaurant, these things, this will change in general home template here. Find rental, homes, restaurant, bar, customize search option. Okay, then image here. If you wanna another image. Okay, then this way you can customize your home page as well. One more thing we are missing here, let me show you. For Listeo editor, what we use Listeo editor for? Listeo editor we use if we want to edit any fields. It can be example my home page. If I visit my home page, and these we call fields like search fields, form fields, rental fields. Okay, then we do in Listeo editor. So let's click on Listeo fields, because this step are really important. You might wanna consider this one. Contact field, I already explained earlier. These things in listing field. So the clear meaning of listing field, the fields we get in the listing when we add our listing, these things we get in. Let me show you along with that. With open any listing, let me click on add listing. Okay, let me open into new tab. If I scroll down, you will see contact detail. Okay, so now we have here contact field. What field we have? So here we get all the fields. In contact detail, what field you allow them, you can adjust here. You can remove, like you don't want Twitter, just to remove it from here. Okay, and save changes. You also can add more field. Click add field, the name of field, any, click OK, and then what type of this field? This field is only to put a text, like there is a space to put text inside it, or this is date and time, to choose date and time, text area, select or multi-select, checkbox, multi-checkbox, or file upload. Okay, let me give you any example here for you can example features. In your case, there can be any other steps. In features, I wanna make it multi-select. Okay, then in add value, I will add like number one, I have flat TV, and then keep add value number two. There can be internet, Wi-Fi, like that. You can add any field you want. Then you can go with the checkbox. There will be a checkbox. Okay, this way you can add any features. Default value you can set to 0, like that. Okay, next we have a location field. In location field, go to location and address, Google Map address, latitude, longitude. Okay, you can edit these things. If you want to edit any tab like address tab, just to add it here, you can choose category icon, like this is the address. You can provide also icon here, human readable address. Yeah, human readable text address. Or you can put here, provide your address, something information in the description. Please provide your complete address, like that. Event field, those will be available in events, event date, event end, size, like that. Here it is. Okay, let's go to next, add listing form. This is the for the people who will fill up the form. Example for the vendor. Or in the front end, if I click on add listing and I will go with submit my listing, and they will get option to provide information here like listing title, category, rental category, like that. You can allow them. For example, you don't allow them to choose rental category, you have to delete it. Classified category, service category, you can adjust how you want. Location, address, friendly address, here address, friendly address. Okay, if they go to click on this icon, question icon, they will get more information. This information you can add it here. Friendly address, edit it, and here tool tip, change it to change this question mark text. Okay, then let's go to next, gallery. Edit the gallery, because this is the type files. We will put upload our file, upload image. You can change text by selecting or click on photo, one of uploaded, like information. Here, this text, you can change this text, information text. Next is detail. In description, video, you can add it. Example, you don't want to allow them to put a video, just you have to go ahead and delete this option. Okay, example, Twitter is not available, you don't allow them to put information like a Twitter for security purpose. You can hide these things you don't want, allow them. Minimum price range, maximum price range, opening hours, just to try to edit everything. Event date, event. For example, you wanna delete whole area, this event, just to go ahead and delete this particular event date option. Price and bookable, menu status, go ahead and edit this one. Pricing, booking status, all the options are available here. But if you would like to get more information from them, just to go ahead, add new field. Let me go ahead, add new field, and I will name it more information. Okay, in the more information, I wanna add one more field, add new field. Here, what field? You have a lot of features here. In more information, what information you want? Example, I wanna get their listing time zone. You can get this. Example, minimum guest, enable price per guest. Okay, I think this feature already available here. Price per, yeah, here, enable price per guest. You can enable or disable things. When you scroll to top, then here you can add things for the services. If I go to front end, I go back, I refresh. Now I go to select the listing, and here if they choose a service category, in the service category, what option they have, you can add it here. Same in rental, same in event, same in classified. Just try to click and edit all things. Search forms, let's go to search form, which is important. Search form in your website homepage or anywhere. It can be in listings. Okay, yeah, here it is. Search form on home page. You can see here information. Search home page with box, sidebar, or search on half map. Okay, if you go to search on home page with box, sidebar search, and search on half map, you have all options. here. If you want to edit things in the listings page where we have all the listing, then you have to go to search on half map, because this is the half map area, right? Then you want to edit what you're looking for, location, category, more filter, price filter. You have all things here. Go one by one and you can edit. Example, location, edit the location, and we will keep all information. Don't change inside it, so it will affect your functionality. But you can add available searchable element. Example, you wanna allow them to search keyword, okay, or check in, check out date, okay. Then you have to drag it here, pick it from here and drag it, openable panel, or anywhere you wanna drag it. Listing type, price filter, address, okay, email address, phone number, website, all information is available in the site end. For search on homepage, what we have, if I go to homepage, then I have what you're looking for, location, all category, price here, this information. Example, all category, just edit it. Even you can choose text money, checkbox in column or row, you can change it. Or testimony should be when someone going to search here. Example, I'm going to search here apartment. Apartment is located to rental category, right? So it will, what it will do, it will, if you select here testimony, general category or rental category, this will do research or search keyword within that particular category you select in the backend, because you choose testimony in the backend, all categories, and all category mean rental category here. You can allow them even multi-select. You have to enable it here. They will able to multi-select in the category. Even now I'm only able to select apartment, but if you multi-select, they will able to select apartment, also events, like that. Then you have to enable this option. Price filter, go ahead, edit the price filter. So I think we don't need to put any changes here because it's already good. Because most of the element you don't need to put anything. Custom CSS, if you're a beginner, you can leave it, because so we already know how this system works. Okay, with the custom CSS we can adjust according. But for the basic, you just have to drag it from the available searchable elements and drag it here. You wanna need put in the search bar. Let's go to review criteria. Review criteria in the service: quality of customer service and attitude, work with you, overall experience. You can change tooltip. Okay, for example, some people select a location. Location is very good, visibility and a nearby park. You can allow them pre-built stuff here, like value for money. They just have to select it. Okay, while review criteria, user field, let's check what we have in user field. Because according to your business, so you might need to change some things, right? In the owner profile field, phone number, social, Twitter, you can change. Guest profile field. Okay, so if I go to my account and my profile, and we have information here like about me, phone number, social, just for the profile. This is for the profile. Registration field, when they will register on our website. On the registration field, you can ask them information. If you need to ask them some important information, you can select it from here. If you require phone number to ask them, just to drag it here. Or you can go with pre-built stuff. You can try out registration, normal registration. You can check if you need to do some changes. Okay, if you required you don't understand anything, you can ask me. In Listeo package, you also can create package. Listeo packages manager, then you have to click add user package. You can add user package here directly here. Listing limit unlimited, listing count, how many listing they will able to put, duration, feature, allow coupon. Okay, then in the product you have to choose it, like this is a basic, related to the basic. Okay, example, you wanna manage any package or you wanna add something, then you can assign this particular product. You can click on this plus allow gallery. Okay, order ID. This way you can create multiple packages. Example, let me save package. Let me go to packages manager. Example, this is something you wanna provide access to particular user. Example, I have my friend, he already registered on our website with the vendor, right? But he get the like basic package. In the basic package he wanna enable a review module, right? Example, review module, and I wanna provide him access. How you can do that? Then you have to go to package manager, then you will see option. If I go to add user package, you can access like user, then you have to select for the user here. Then you have to select user here, for which user you are going to create a user package. Okay, listing packages manager, like airport, burger house, fitness center in basic package. Okay, example, these all packages are extra packages if you require. Example, Tom's restaurant, go to change package. Okay, example Tom, here airport, you wanna provide them access in airport drop or pickup in particular package. Go ahead to change package and assign this package to like a basic package. This will be assigned to basic package, and decrease previous package count on package change. You can check it. Changing package will increase limit of use listing in package. You can try out these things. Actually, these all are listings here in listing packages. Okay, what listings you have here, and they're related to basic package here. Okay, if you wanna allow them to change package, you can go ahead change package and assign to listing package. You can assign to particular package. For this is for listing packages, different packages. Okay, what else? For marketing or analytics, let's go to overview. In analytics, you can check performance, how it works. You have a products option, coupon, all information will be here. Go to setting in the analytics. Yeah, in analytics, how many order cancel or failed, all information here. Even you can select on hold, it will give you information. In marketing, you can set marketing or coupons. So commission, you can always check commission here, or payout history, or you can issue on commissions. In Dokan setting, if you required more setting, go to setting in Dokan, scroll down to general. Please don't change this URL here, store, don't change it until you know what you're doing. Okay, you can change these things like set up visit message for the vendors, disable welcome visit, vendor store setting, store term and condition. You can enable term and condition for the vendors if you have separate term and condition for them. Enable address field, they will able to put address. Show vendor info, if you want to show vendor info on the product page. Then you have a selling option. You can set commission for the vendors, how much commission you get from them when someone purchase their listing. So definitely you allow them platform, so they will able to put their property on our website, right? Then you can charge them a commission here. You can set in the backend. Even you can go with category based or fixed. Even shipping fee you can check who will pay. Enable selling, you can enable selling right way, or you can off this option here. They will able to change the order status if order manually has been completed or any information. Then we have a withdraw option is very important. This is for the people, for the vendors. Select a suitable withdraw method for the vendors. Okay, so because they are using our website, definitely they will earn on our website. We will get 10% discount, 10% commission, and rest of payment we will move to their bank account. Then you have to select here bank account, and you can also set withdraw charges if you have minimum withdraw limit. Okay, you enable here bank transfer, then save changes. You can also go to documentation. Okay, you can also look for reserve withdrawal if you want to reserve any amount. Then you have to enable reserve amount. You can reserve there some amount. Okay, for the let me go to withdraw option. For the bank transfer, you can set a Stripe in the backend. If I go to, let me check in the store Listeo payout option. Okay, you can set payout here. And for the Stripe, you have to install the plugin Stripe 1. Okay, if you require more information, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you want me to create another tutorial on other topic, just let me know in comments. I will definitely create tutorials for you. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.